Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a quick and easy heatless hairstyle on medium length hair. To start, I'm just going to section out a bit of hair at the front to frame the face on both sides. I'm then going to divide the hair from the end of the eyebrows, and we're just going to tie this together at the back of the head with a clear elastic band. Now we're going to make a little hole behind that elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Then simply pass that ponytail up to your fingers and pull it all the way back through that hole to create a twist. Apply some dry texture spray on the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair at the top of the head and also along those twists. Now we're just going to clip that little ponytail up and out of the way for later and divide the remaining hair in half. And working on the right hand side, I'm going to do a rope braid. So split that section in half again, and we're going to twist both of those halves to the left hand side, and then we're going to cross the left strand over the right strand. So twist both those strands to the left and cross the left strand over the right strand, and then secure it with a clear elastic band. Then we're going to repeat the same rope braid on the left hand section. Again, secure it with an elastic band, and then we're going to do one more rope braid on that little ponytail. So once you've got all three of those rope braids done, apply some more of that texture spray all over them, and then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at those rope braids to give them more messy volume. The messier you can get this, the better it looks, and then just repeat it on all three braids. Okay, starting with that right hand braid, I'm going to bring it up and over to the left hand side of that little ponytail, and we're just going to roll the ends underneath and pin them as close to that left hand twist as possible. Then we're going to push the right hand side up to meet the right hand side of the head so it's horizontal, and again secure with a pin. Then I like to slip one more bobby pin through the centre of the twist. Moving over to the left hand braid, we're going to take it and we're going to take it over to the right hand side. Again, roll those ends underneath, and we're going to lay this horizontal under that first braid, pinning at the right and left hand side and then slipping one through the centre. This just makes sure it stays nice and secure. And then lastly, taking that little ponytail braid, I'm just going to wrap the elastic around one more time, making a small loop. This just makes pinning easier. And again, we're just going to tuck those ends underneath and lay them horizontal below that second braid. Pin with as many bobby pins as needed and finish off with a little bit of Stronghold hairspray. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.